Bootstrap 5 Tutorial for Beginners. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Bootstrap is easy to learn without structured guidance. The surprising truth is that pricing reflects course length, project examples, and depth of explanations. Entry-level courses teach basic components, grids, buttons, and simple layouts. Beginners can quickly start prototyping websites, but won't gain advanced responsive design skills. Mid-tier courses include Flexbox, grid systems, responsive design, and small real-world projects. Students can build functional websites that look professional across devices. Premium courses cover advanced components, custom themes, JavaScript integration, and portfolio-level projects. Developers gain full mastery, practical experience, and mentorship. Most people get this wrong by looking only at cost. The real value comes from structured learning, practical application, and skills that translate to professional projects. In conclusion, Bootstrap 5 Tutorial pricing reflects depth, projects, and support. Choosing the right course ensures faster learning, better results, and maximum value for your investment.